Hi, I'm Chandra Ganguly. I am in my late 40s. I come from Kolkata. I'm a graphologist and I'm also into cybersecurity. Uh, I'm a coach, and that apart, I also do posh trainings. I think these tools which you have shared with us are incredible. They're absolutely very, very useful. Uh, the overall experience with this workshop is exemplary. All I can say is that this workshop was absolutely one of the best that I could have attended, one on AI. You made it look so easy and so simple, and indeed, it can make our life much easier. And in my industry, in my line of work, I will need them all the time. So amongst the ones you want me to choose, I can't say that one is better than the other, but of course I deal with a lot of data, and I also do a lot of presentations. So the AI tools which can quicken, make my presentations come out really well in no time, with proper analysis and presentation, is, I think, the best part. And apart from that, I think I was also quite excited looking at the jingle or the lyrics in music which could come up, which could be utilized for proliferating about my work and about my company. So I think these overall have given me an immense boost, I would say, to speak about my work. Of course, when it comes to putting up about my page on LinkedIn and on other social media platforms, it will strike a chord with people when I put in the right details, and I do it in a very exciting way, because in this world and in this day and age, there are so many adverts, so many posters that people see, day in and day out. One has to be strikingly different to be able to remain in the toma, or I would say the top of mind for people. So that's where I think a workshop like this has a lot of value for us. I'm definitely going to appreciate and speak about you with other people who might be able to join, and given an opportunity going forward, maybe I can also come forward and attend similar sessions with you. Thank you so much for this brilliant opportunity. I wish you all the best. Keep doing the great work, and thanks for imparting this important information with us. Have a great time.